Let's just suppose if somebody is implementing this microservice architecture, how do they design it? How do they actually divide an application into different microservices?
Sure. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So it really comes down to that. But yeah, once you, a tenet that you could follow when dividing things into smaller components is you break them down into the smallest possible components until breaking it down any further makes no sense. Okay. That's one way of thinking about it. Other people also break it down in terms of teams, on the front end team. So I'm just going to have a microservice just that deals with the front end or all of the activity in the front end. Then there's an API team, which is the backend team. So whatever the backend scalable infrastructure that you have to process everything that is coming from the front end, as well as the API layer and API management. And then there is the more stateful stuff at the back end of it, right? Stateful or even stateless transaction processing, as well as databases and so forth are sitting at the back end. So sometimes people divide them by teams, sometimes they divide them by functional areas. My preference is always to divide them by functional areas and start dividing them down as small as possible until you can't divide them any further.